Hello, in this video I'll show you how to diagnose a problem with the car not being able to rev when you press the gas and also turning off the engine all the time. This is on a Ford Fiesta 6th generation 1.4i. We can see the RPM going up and down, and it's almost trying to die, and the engine light is on as well. And when we press the gas, we see that the RPM are not going up. Here I'm pressing the gas and nothing's going on with the RPM, it's just staying in one place, and it's the car even died. Now we start it again, and now when we press the gas, it reacted to the gas, but most cases it doesn't react, and it just wants to the engine to turn. Here we're pressing the gas again to see what will happen, but it's a very little RPM going up with the amount of gas that I'm pressing. Next, to check if there is any codes with the scan. Here we see a code. The second code is for the throttle position sensor, voltage continuous. That means in the throttle body there is two throttle position sensors, and one of them is giving a fault. So maybe we need to change the throttle. The other codes have nothing to do with the fault that's going on. So next we'll replace the throttle body. The throttle body is just there, it's held by, we need to remove that connector, we need to remove the air pipe, and also 4 bolts that hold the throttle. Once we remove the 4 bolts, we can take out the throttle. That's the throttle body out. Now we can put on the new throttle. That's everything assembled back together now. Next we will clear the fault codes with the scan tool. On this car we don't need to calibrate the throttle body with the scan tool. It just calibrates itself when the car is being. After we clear all the codes, we'll see which codes are coming. We can see that all the codes have cleared. Now we'll start the car and see if the car will have the same problem. We can see that the RPM are staying in one place, they're not fluctuating up and down. And when we press the gas, it's gonna force itself. So everything looks alright. Thank you for watching.